This is Labrador tea. It's distinct with its orange bottom leaves, but as it grows in the summertime, you can see it's a very pale color. And it normally grows next to a plant called Kalmia, which looks very similar. So the difference between the two is this one's healthy and full of antioxidants and all that. This one is just straight up poisonous. So make sure you're checking for your orange. And you'll always find last year's leaves drying and they fall off very easily. This is still good for tea, but I think people prefer it a little bit